Hello everybody, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve your issues on Netflix. To know how to fix or how to solve your Netflix app, you should just go to settings. After that you click apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this list you'll enter to the window or to the app of Netflix. When you'll find this page of app info, you will click on first app and you will click OK. Here we'll enter to the window of storage. Then this list you click clear cache. Then you can go to Play Store. You'll search about Netflix. If you will find here in this blue sign update, then you can click to update your app to fix that problem you have. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching. Goodbye.